what's up, guys? Gons here for the Face Like the Sun YouTube channel with a quick update here. There was just an explosion in the cargo in China, and this is very interesting. This comes at a time when, just a few days after the IMF pretty much said that they're going to push the announcement to make the yuan, or basically China, into reserve currency status into next year. And they were talking about September or October of this year as the dates to do this, but for some reason they pulled out. And as China's economy continues to cool down and drop, we suddenly have this huge explosion of cargo. Here's the video. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think about what's going on here. Is this part of the elite trying to control the situation over in China, or is this just all coincidence? Let me know your thoughts in the description section. Here's the video of somebody who caught this in China.
我日楼都在晃，去球啊！我靠，原子弹吗？这是！我操！楼上玻璃碎了，我操！这冲击力太大了！别看了，楼别塌了，我靠！赶紧穿衣服。操，楼别塌了！ 还会炸。